ULike just came out with their Air 10 IPL hair removal device, and when I tell you guys you need to run, not walk, to the link below to grab this product for yourself, I genuinely mean it. I have been using this product for just 2 weeks and I've never been more hairless in my life, and I'm talking pits, butt crack, penis, pubes, testicles. For reference, this is how my pits looked last month, and now they look like this. It's literally sorcery, like brujeria. You guys know that I do visual guides on hair removal literally all the time on YouTube, and the reason why I have not been making as much is because I've genuinely just been more hairless, and like my hairs are growing so much less. This ULike product has slowed down my hair growth tremendously. It's to the point where I'm just like perpetually hairless, to be honest. I've talked about ULike's Air 3 IPL hair removal device a bunch on my channel, and as much as I loved this product, the ULike Air 10 absolutely demolishes this Air 3 in like every category possible. Let's start with design. Let's be honest, both products are like actually sexy AF. But as you can see, the Air 10 here is a lot more curved, making it so much more easy and so much more convenient to hold in your hand, as opposed to this super just like straight up and like bulky Air 3. I promise you, this makes a huge difference when you're like literally just like zapping different parts of your body. Like, you definitely want the product to be as comfortable as possible in your hand. Now let's talk about the intensity levels of these two products, aka how reliable they are in tackling our body hairs. The ULike Air 3 has 3 awesome intensity levels: a soft mode for your face, body mode for your arms, legs, and abs, and power mode for thicker hairs like chest hairs and armpit hairs. These are all fantastic modes, but the Air 10 has all 3 of those modes plus 1 more. The super hair removal mode, SHR for short. Gotta give it to ULike for having the most subtle title names. The super hair removal mode is designed to tackle the thickest and most coarse hairs on your body. I have used the super hair removal mode on the thick hairs above my penis, as well as the thick hairs on my armpits. Those are the thickest hairs on my body. Like, I swear I have like the thickest pubes ever. And the ULike Air 10 just does such a splendid job at reducing the hair growth there using this specific mode. Also, by the way, I put these shades on because I want to demonstrate to you how easy it is to use this product, and I do get like headaches from lights, but you don't need to use shades for the ULike Air 10. Despite being better than the ULike Air 3 in reducing and like preventing thick hairs from growing back on your body, the Air 10 actually hurts a lot less than the Air 3, which is crazy because like you would think that like it would hurt more because it's so effective, but it's actually literally the most painless hair removal ever. The Air 3 lowers the temperature of the device and zaps to about 20 degrees Celsius, whereas the Air 10 right here lowers it down to 16 degrees Celsius, which means that it's actually so cooling and so comfortable when this thing zaps different parts of your body. There's like a fan here that like adds to like the cooling method. On top of this, you actually reduce treatment time with the Air 10 compared to the Air 3. It takes about 10 minutes to complete treatment time with the Air 10 compared to 12 minutes with the Air 3. The Air 10, as you can see, just has like faster zaps per minute. It's like quick zaps. I can't even keep up with it. Don't worry about zapping your skin off because the ULike Air 10 is the first of its kind to have a built-in skin sensor, all for your peace of mind. It auto-detects skin tones, auto-adjusts treatment power, and makes sure that you're on the right path with every zap and every section. The Air 10 actually also has double the amount of pulse lamps than the Air 3, which means that you'll actually be covering a bigger area with the Air 10 compared to the Air 3. Like a bigger area per zap, I mean. The Air 10 is literally perfect. ULike delivers laser-like results from home and for so much cheaper. It literally costs thousands to like go to the clinic and like ask people to like do this for you when you could literally just do this at home with ULike's Air 10. So you need to click the link below and grab ULike's Air 10 IPL hair removal device right now. Don't worry about commitment. I know we all have commitment issues and ULike knows that as well. And so that's why they always offer a 90-day money back guarantee in case you, for any reason, don't love the product. But I can assure you that will not be a problem. You are going to fall in love with this ULike Air 10 the way that I did, the way that I do. I'm like in a relationship with this product. I promise you guys, after 2 weeks of using ULike's Air 10, you will never look back. Click the link below now to grab your ULike today. Use my code KEVIN2024 to save on both the ULike website and on Amazon. I can't wait to hear about your experiences with ULike's Air 10.